Hey guys, welcome back to the Lookly Life. I'm Ashley.
I'm Luke.
And we're back for another video. But what do they need to do before we get started, honey?
Oh, you guys know what to do, right? I keep telling you guys, I'm never getting tired of this.
No.
They think I'm getting tired? Nope.
No, as soon as you think we're going to get tired of telling you, we're not.
Guys, please
It starts with a big S.
Please hit that subscribe button and join the family.
Yes.
The Lookly Life.
The Lookly Life family.
Yeah. But today we got a good video for you guys.
Yeah. We just went grocery shopping.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be the perfect time to show you what's in our fridge.
Yeah, so guys, hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Okay guys, so before I open the fridge, it might not look like we just went grocery shopping, but I promise we went this morning, okay? We buy a lot of produce. We have a lot more in the pantry, so it's not just in the fridge and freezer, but let's take a peek. Now, what stands out to you the most in this fridge? No, we don't own any monkeys, okay? We don't own any monkeys. We love bananas.
Yeah. Bananas are a staple in this house.
A staple for just about anything.
Yeah.
Oatmeal shakes, just eating them plain. Yeah. They're the best.
Should never run out of those.
We never run out of bananas. We also never run out of avocados. As you can see, have them here. Another big one here.
Yeah.
So avocado a day, guys. Good healthy fats. We have a big thing of baby spinach here. Make sure it's organic. It's on the Dirty Dozen list, guys, so make sure your greens are organic. And
what's in the back of that?
Oh,
just
some leftovers.
Yeah, potatoes.
Some potatoes and some veggies. Yeah. Potatoes and veggies.
That's
here.
my veggie mix with spinach and okra.
Yeah, I'll show you guys that when we get to the freezer. And down here we also have Luke's overnight oats.
Yeah.
Overnight oats for when he goes to work. He preps these the night before, so it's a little snack for him on work days. Huh?
Yeah, oats another thing I eat every day.
Yep.
Boosts my bananas.
Yeah, it's really good with fruit and bananas. And his rice that he prepares here, and it looks really delicious. All the spices that he puts in there. Oh, yeah. And it smells so good. I have pepper,
salt, garlic, oregano, everything.
I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's his rice. And then down here we have eggs. Now, little tip about eggs, make sure they're pasture raised and they're organic. This is the best kind of eggs to get. Non-GMO, obviously, but mainly pasture raised and organic. So those are the two things you want to look for.
Stay away from cage-free. Well, I think cage-free will be like the next best
next
thing.
best if you can't find pasture raised.
If you can't find pasture raised, I would say cage-free probably the next thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, selection of eggs is always really tricky.
Yeah. Next, mushrooms. We also love mushrooms, as you can tell.
Yeah.
We put mushrooms in broth. We put it in our mixed vegetables and sauteed vegetables. So I always keep a lot of mushrooms on hand. Now if we go to the drawers here, this is where we keep a lot of our food actually, because we buy a lot of whole foods, so a lot of fruits and vegetables. So we got a lot of onions here, and some we have lemons. We have more lemons in the bottom, but we definitely always keep lemons. I like to put it on the salmon.
Yeah. Our lemon always for like good morning drinks as well.
Yeah, the morning apple cider vinegar. Yeah, the apple cider vinegar drink.
So we do use a lot of lemon.
Yep. And this drawer, I have some squash and some zucchini, because I like to make
spaghetti.
The squash zoodles. I like to make the zoodles. So I spiral these and then put them in, saute them in the pan. And beets. beets. They're so good for
Beets
you.
are so healthy.
So
full
healthy
of
for-
antioxidants.
Yeah, so good for your blood. I put that in my broth as well. Apples. We get Fuji apples. They're the best. And make sure they're organic. They're also on the Dirty Dozen list. So always buy your apples organic. Luke likes to take those in his lunch too.
Yeah.
They're tasty. And garlic. Can't go without garlic.
Yep.
Makes everything just like all the flavors just come out when you use garlic. It's so
Very
good.
healthy.
Very healthy, yes. And ginger root.
All your spices are very healthy stuff, guys. I talked
Yeah.
about it in my other video.
Very, very good.
If you can have a diet loaded with spices, that means you're basically uplifting your immune system. So yeah, boosting your immune system so strongly, and also you know, you providing your body all those antioxidants, decreasing inflammation in your body.
Yeah, the inflammation. The
Yeah.
spices are so good for anti-inflammatory properties in your body.
If there was any like the top two spices, I'll go with garlic and ginger. For or
And
cayenne
turmeric.
pepper. Yeah, cayenne
And
pepper.
turmeric.
Turmeric. Yeah.
So here in the bottom drawer, we have some carrots. I like to put those in my broth as well. So I always keep carrots on hand.
Vitamin A.
Yeah, lots of vitamin A. If you eat too many, you might turn orange. But be careful about that, because I actually have heard that it's true. More lemons.
Well, I can turn orange. That doesn't work with me.
It would turn me orange, probably not you. Celery, I also put in my broth. Lots of veggies. And, honey, you want to tell them what this is?
That is aloe vera.
Yes.
I actually bought this for my hair because it's supposed to be really good. If you boil this in water and actually boil this in oil, olive oil and coconut oil, it forms this liquidy kind of paste, which is good for your hair when you put that in. It can also be used on your face, like for facial cleansing.
Yeah, if you have
Treat
breakouts or
acne.
something, yeah.
Yeah, so aloe vera.
It's so good for you.
Yeah.
So we keep that on hand. Of course, green goddess dressing that we talked about in the Trader Joe's haul.
Yeah.
Got to keep that going. And Luke's
Just
water
add
bottle.
Yeah.
His water bottle that he takes to work. Okay.
What's on the side door?
What's on the side door here? So we
Start on
got
the top.
some raw honey.
Started from the top, now we're here. Bottom, was it started from the bottom, now we're here.
So we have raw, unfiltered honey here. Try and always get raw, nothing added to it. We like our yogurts. This is Luke's favorite. This one from Trader
Yeah.
Joe's is your favorite, huh?
Yeah, I love
So
that one.
creamy.
It has that, like that really, I don't know, it's not sour, but just something about it.
Yeah, there's
Creamy,
something,
creamy.
yeah, there's something he really likes about the taste of this one. But all of them are whole milk and they're all organic.
Right.
So those are the two main things that we talked about also in our Trader Joe's haul. So go check
Always-
out that video.
Always go with whole milk.
Yeah.
No fat-free or
Yeah,
1%, 2%.
yeah. Always whole
Organic.
milk or organic with dairy.
Yeah.
And then down here, wow, look at that. Apple cider vinegar. We talked about that and all
ACV.
the benefits, ACV. And this is the yogurt I use.
Yeah.
Extra probiotics in this one. It's Bulgarian yogurt. Also organic, because anything dairy, organic.
Okay.
Down here, we have aloe vera juice. So like the aloe vera plant, but this is the juice form that you drink. It's good for the gut.
Yeah.
So I like to drink that. And something else we talked about in the Trader Joe's haul, almond butter. Always have that on hand. Always make sure raw, almonds only, nothing added to it, no sugars, no no bad oils. Bone broth, staple.
This is really superfood, guys.
Superfood. Has all the nutrients that you
Yeah.
need in it for your
Your
body.
collagen and all this good stuff, good for your your skin, your hair, your
Yep.
gut,
Your gut,
joints,
everything. Yep.
full of nutrients.
So whenever you might not be feeling well, stomach ache, anything like that, or even if you're feeling healthy, it's good for everyone, not just any particular person.
Don't buy just plain broth, like it has to say bone broth.
Or not stock.
Yeah.
Or it has to be bone broth.
Right.
Okay.
Because I think that's an error probably. People
buy
pick
it.
up thinking it's bone broth.
Yeah, make sure it says bone broth because then it has all the collagen and stuff in it. Ghee. So if you guys like butter, this is a healthy option. It's organic, and I know that the label is kind of torn off here, but it's pasture raised. So you want everything to be as clean as possible when it comes to dairy. So it's organic, like we talked about before, comes from pasture raised cows. So they're not fed all that junk that you don't want in your body.
Yeah.
So this is a good alternative for butter. If you love butter and don't want to get rid of it, try ghee instead. So look for that. And hemp seeds. I like to put those in shakes too. Good protein.
Good fats as well.
Good fats as well, omegas. Keep that ratio of 3s better than 6s, guys.
Alright, and finally, what's in the freezer?
So here's where we keep all of the good stuff. So here we have frozen organic strawberries, also on the Dirty Dozen list. Make sure you get strawberries organic. So we have those for shakes, Luke's oatmeal. This is the blueberries that we get, wild blueberries. They have more antioxidants than just regular blueberries. So we get the high antioxidant wild blueberries.
Yep. This is the brand from Walmart.
Yeah, we get all this from Walmart. Yeah.
Guys, we shop at Walmart as well, so
Yeah.
maybe we'll do a vlog on our grocery haul.
Yeah, a haul from Walmart too.
Yeah.
To show you, because we go to 3 different grocery stores. So, and some frozen broccoli. So frozen veggies are really good because they're flash frozen. So it keeps all the nutrients when you freeze them. So don't be afraid to buy frozen vegetables, because a lot of people think they're not as good as fresh, but they really are. They hold all their nutrients because they're frozen, flash frozen. So we get frozen veggies. Luke likes broccoli with okra. He loves this mix.
Yeah.
Okra and broccoli with some onions and mushrooms. It's like your favorite, huh? Yeah, so we have that. We have a bag of mixed veggies also. Sometimes I just like to throw it all together in the pan. So there's broccoli, peas, squash, bell peppers. So it's a nice little blend, stir fry type. And looks like that's it on the top. The bottom here is where we keep all of our meats. So on this side, we have all of our beef. And in our Trader Joe's haul, we talked about how much we love our beef. So we always keep these on hand. These are the organic ground beef, no antibiotics, 100% grass-fed. Definitely what you want to look for, organic and grass-fed. And beef is actually very, very healthy for you if you find the right kind of beef. Also, our salmon.
Saturday salmon.
So we always have this on hand.
Alaskan sockeye salmon, the best salmon.
Yep,
Cleanest.
wild Alaskan sockeye salmon. The darker color, the farm-raised Atlantic salmon is light in color. Look for the darker one. This is by far the best one. Okay, on this side we have our chicken. So our ground chicken that I use to make our chicken meatballs with. So we like to have this. It's not organic, so we don't eat it as often, but it's still really delicious. And then we have our chicken breasts, organic free-range chicken. Make sure your chicken's organic, if at all possible, with no hormones, no antibiotics. all that good stuff. So we eat these often. And we have these on Saturdays. I make these on Saturdays with the salmon, the organic free-range chicken drumsticks. So we have these once a week. It's a nice little treat on the weekends. So we like those. And we actually have these right now. And I'm going to show them to you because they're in here. But we don't eat these very often because they're not organic or grass-fed. But they are gluten-free. So once in a while, it's okay to...
As a treat.
As a treat, once in a while, it's okay. So we get these. We have them on hand to have them every now and then. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed what's in our fridge. And if you have anything that we have in our fridge, let us know.
Tell us what your favorite item was in our fridge.
Yeah, what's your favorite?
Other than the bananas.
I think a lot of people like bananas, but hey, those are your favorite, they're your favorite.
Yeah.
But let us know what your favorite item in our fridge is. And we'll be seeing you guys really soon.
Alright guys.
Bye.